Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Odestro S109 wireless headset. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the product itself. On the bottom, we have the S109 branding. Underneath that, we have a slogan that says business design. And on top, we have the wireless headset branding. On the left hand side of the package, we have the different color options for this product, which include black, gray, and blue. On the right hand side, we have some more branding. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. On the back, we have a few pictures showing off the use cases of this headset, which include while driving, although we do not recommend it. It can also be used in work environments and it can be used to listen to music. Here are some of the technical specifications. We'll go through some of them right now. It has a talking time of up to 20 hours, a music time of up to 18 hours, standby time is over 180 hours. It takes around 10 minutes to charge and it can be charged via micro USB. Its transmission distance is 32 feet. Its speaker sensitivity is 102 decibels. Its impedance is 16 ohms. The microphone sensitivity is minus 42 decibels and microphone's impedance is 2200 ohms. Right at the bottom, we have an illustration that shows the devices that this headset is compatible with, and it says here that it is compatible with Android and iOS. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get an additional ear tip. This one is a bit larger than the one that is already on the headset. Next up, we have the charging cable. It has a micro USB interface on one end and a USB Type A interface on the other. The cable is approximately 6 to 7 inches long. Coming to the headset itself, we can see that it has a black theme going for it, except around here where there is a silver band. It is also a glossy black all the way around, except right here in the middle, which is rubberized for flexibility. While on the subject of flexibility, we can see that the ear tip portion of the headset is rotatable, or it can rotate, and that should ensure a more comfortable fit. The headset on the side has a couple of buttons. The one in the middle is the one to answer or end calls. Right above that, we have a switch that is basically the power switch. And underneath that, we have a hole for an LED light. It should come on when we power the device on. As you can see, the LED light is flashing red and blue, indicating that it is currently in pairing mode since this is the first time we have switched on the device. Underneath that, we have a rubber hatch which houses the micro USB charging port. So this was the unboxing of the Odestro S109 wireless headset. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.